Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. Oh wait, no, it's just me today. I'm on a PCT hiking towards Mission Creek for the weekend. A bunch of friends have a Christmas party at Mission Creek. I'm gonna stop at the Whitewater Preserve and pick up Christina. It's gonna be about a 19-mile hike. I just started around 7 o'clock. It's like 45 degrees, a little chilly. The sky's clear, no chance of rain.
Okay, so while Mike is on his hike on the PCT headed here, we're setting up camp for the Christmas party that's happening this weekend.
Hey guys, it's Mike. We just left the Whitewater Preserve. I've got Christina with me. Okay, we're here at Red Dome. This is where we were a little worried about crossing the river because of not knowing how the water was. But guess what? We get here and there's no water. It's completely dry. First time I've ever seen the Whitewater River completely dry. Okay, we're on the last major climb to Mission Creek from Whitewater. Sun's going down pretty quick. As you can see, it's pretty close to the top of the mountain behind us. We're hoping to be at least in Mission Creek Canyon by the time it gets dark. There are mountain lions in this area. Not too worried about them, but next to the shoe print right here, look, we have cat prints. Either a bobcat or a small mountain lion, maybe. Not sure. Okay guys, we've officially made it to the Mission Creek Preserve. Stonehouse is about a quarter mile. Okay guys, we're doing our first stream crossing. We were here 2 weeks ago and this creek was completely dry. Check it out. We've got water.
Round
That's Jason from Huck Outdoors. And
Who's that?
that's Jason.
Oh, I'm gonna be in his video.
Oh. Wait. You don't want to be in my video?